Hey champs, how's cooking? Welcome back to our channel, Esteem Self Wellness. Subscribe to our channel, like the videos, comments, hypes, star, everything good. Yes, subscribe. Welcome. I welcome everybody, every champs. Yes. Let's start our positivity, our stress therapy this morning with a healthy teeth. With a healthy teeth, start with this, okay? Just because you cannot smell my breath, it doesn't mean I'm gonna let you deal with my bad breath. Let's start with the healthy teeth by flossing our teeth. Yes, that's part of our esteem, wellness, physically, mentally, spiritually, right? Okay, champs, let's floss our teeth. Yes, together. Let's floss our teeth together and be healthy. That's our main priority before we start our videos, just because we don't want our viewers or subscriber to deal with their bad breath, right? Sorry to all the dentists. Just floss them nicely. Floss them all over the other side. The top and then the bottom, or the bottom and then the top. That's how the way to floss it, right, champs? Back to the show. Next, champs, wellness, the best wellness. The best of all of our champs, wellness, physically, mentally, spiritually. It starts with our teeth. It doesn't mean my channel, Esteem Self Wellness, our channel, it doesn't mean that you cannot smell my breath. I'm not gonna brush my teeth. I will have a fresh breath for all of us, right? I cannot cheer up all of your champs without brushing my teeth, right? I cannot have an authentic cheering up, right? So another things that we have to do for our well-being, our physical well-being, our mental well-being, is to have a healthy teeth, right? As much as possible, right? With brushing the teeth the best you can, whenever you can, especially if we're eating some really, you know, I don't know, harsh food for our teeth, right? Really harsh food for our teeth. It's a must, like, to brush, to floss our teeth, floss all of the harsh food that we have on our teeth, and then brush them, clean them up, just like we take a bath, just like we clean our body. We give our teeth a bath, right? All right, champs, let's brush our teeth, be healthy, have a, it's also like with a healthy teeth, we don't have to feel like irritation, no irritation, no painful feeling. All we have is a fresh, healthy feeling. That's also decrease our stress, right? It also give uh stress stress buster, decrease our stress, right? Right, champs? Yeah. Let me brush my teeth. Let's brush our teeth together. Back to the show, champs. Just have a fresh breath. Welcome back. Welcome back to the show, champs. This is your Cheers in the Air, Esteem Self Wellness. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe now. Subscribe. Subscribe it now, please, please. I appreciate. No, you don't have to subscribe. It's okay. I would appreciate if you do, though. Yes. Making videos is not easy. It's so much effort. Yeah. If if you if you are not like a if you're not making videos and stuff, yeah, takes effort, takes takes preparation, takes takes time to yeah, of course, for sure. Takes preparation, takes like planning. Yeah, it's like you have to plan. You have to plan how you make your how you wanna be in your video. With mine, it's not so effortless with my relaxation video. I mean, it's not so effortful. I don't have to put too much effort on it, but because it's just like natural or all natural, not too much filter, cover up, not so much makeup. I don't have makeup. I just moisturize my skin and yeah, so I understand if you don't subscribe my channel because it's just a bare it's a bare naked channel most of the time, right? But I do appreciate if you do subscribe. Yeah, let's learn together how to just learn how to relax our day. find a little time to relax. It doesn't have to be so much filter, like so much makeup, so much or like, unrealistic. So unrealistic, so much makeup, so much other like expensive things. Oh my goodness, I'm stressed already just thinking about it. Okay, let's not be stressed. Let's stress therapy ourselves. Let's put this here. Okay, it wants to go back that way. So maybe you will subscribe if I put some. I already have my moisturizer on my lips, so maybe this will make you subscribe our channel, right? Our relaxation channel. If let's see, I'll put some lip gloss. I add up some lip gloss. Let me fix it down, 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 down. Cannot open my other lip gloss. This might make you subscribe if I put lip gloss than just moisturizers. Oh, come on, Cham. Subscribe to our channel. Help the channel grow. And I will pray to the universe that with my appreciation and you will give, you will get all the blessings. You will get all the blessings in the planet universe for your kindness. Sorry, I've eaten too much this week. I have a gut belly. That's that's part that's part of the spice of the videos, right? Right? Does not have to be a perfect girl. We just all be realistic here. This is my female authentic relaxations for stress buster. How to stress buster. How to crush stress. Hmm. How to crush stress. How to defeat stress. How to crumble stress in human life, in people's lives. All right, champs. It's not red, but it's moisturized, right? It might be stormy again today. It was sunshine, so I'm using my sunlight from the window, but it seems like it's blocked by the clouds. So let's just go for that. Okay, champs. Relaxation. Relaxation time. Yes. Cannot be relaxed without moisturizer in our body. And stretching, right? Stretching and meditation. Meditation and stretching, yes. How do you like my braid on my hair? I half braid my hair. Half braid. Just relaxing for a few hours. Then get busy. Get busy, champs. Just give some relaxation for a few hours before it gets busy. That's what life, that's how life here, my life in the USA, busy sometimes. I don't know. I don't know. It's like you work hard, play hard, I think. Is it the right thing? Work hard, play hard. That might be. That might be the right words. Yes. I don't know if I put this thing in here. I put my hair clip. Maybe it'll light up a little bit. Maybe it'll bring the sunshine. I don't know. It'll bring the sunshine. Maybe it'll bring the sunshine if I put my hair clip on. Hmm. I don't know. It's not bringing the sunshine, I think. Fly me to the moon and let me see the sunshine. Let me see your bright and sunshine today because we need we need a sunshine today. Half sunshine and maybe half storm. Back to the show. Maybe we need some half storm too because it is wild, wild west in the USA. It's so hot when there's no storm, so we need some rain. Yes, it can get really hot. Summertime, still summertime here in the wild, wild west, USA, United States. How's all my champs doing? Hope everybody is able to give time for their physical being, physical body to relax, to neutralize the feeling in our body, neutralize the feeling, to regroup, reorganize the feeling in our body to reduce, I think reduce stress, right? Yes. Have so much painful feeling in our body. We just need to like stretch our blood vessels, stretch our blood vessels to get rid some of the stressful feeling in our body, especially with like the older the older population. Yeah, we need that. We need the stretching. So as the younger ones too. The younger ones, the same. Yeah. relaxation, stretching, good feeling in our body is good for our body physically, mentally. It doesn't matter. If you lay besides the under the tree, go stretch under the tree. My little place is I live in a dumpster. I live in a dumpster, so I'm still stretching and relaxation. I just joking. My place is not a palace, it's not a castle. I don't live in a castle. I don't live in a palace. I don't live in a mansion. I have trash can besides me. I have shoes besides me. I don't care a dang. I have my little place. I have my clean floor, stretch, de- de-stress, take away the stress of my body. My body is my real home. So as your body is your real home. So why not? Why not? I don't care a dang if I don't have a mansion to stretch. Maybe someday I'll have a mansion to stretch. Then I cannot escape it. I will just stretch in there, but I'm gonna avoid not to stretch on the I don't know if maybe I'll change my attitude if I'm rich or what. I try not to. I will try not to. I will try to find like just the natures. If if I happen to change my like situation, like being poor to like I have a mansion someday or whatever, maybe not. Maybe I'm becoming unrealistic, right? I will prioritize the like natures maybe. Yeah. Maybe someday if even though if I have like a wealth or something, just in case if that happen, I will continue to like prioritize the natures. Natures is the best. But that's why I'm here inside my little minimalist place because I live in like building all around. There's no natures. But when I travel later, there's a lot of natures. So desert natures because the wild west is beautiful desert scenery natures most of the time. Yes. So that's gonna be the scenery, some other videos. Yes. Maybe someday I'll be able to travel in another farther places. Farther places when I can afford it. I cannot afford it. Yeah, cannot pretend to travel if you cannot afford it. At, at least me, you know. I don't know. I don't like to travel too. Like travel. You have pack. You have to think. You have to pack all kinds of things. You have to think. You have to study the culture of that place, and then to make sure safety plan, and then also like financial is the big thing. If there's no big financial security, I think traveling is more kind of very stressful than rather than fun, right? I think so. Yeah, I've traveled before with less financial security. It's just so stressful. It doesn't give pleasure. The we want. So I've also traveled with like with more financial security. Oh yeah, it's good. You don't have to think with a financial security in travel, with enough financial security in travel. My experience is kind of, yeah, just have to relax because most of the time the travel is like expenses. Spend money here, spend money there, spend money left and right, spend money. I don't understand some of these people to travel and like spend little money. I believe it, and I also don't believe it somewhat. Yeah, traveling. There might be a few people there that able to do that because like um solo very uh aggressive travel might be able to do that with a lot of researching and planning. But yeah, traveling with less financial security, that's no to me. So I just stay here in my little minimalist place of comfort. Sometimes I see people to travel this, that, and then it's like, maybe you have enough financial security in your travel, and then you had a best time, no worries, no anxiousness, and worries and stress. Hopefully, but I've experienced both, like the less financial security in travel equals the experience was uh less pleasurable experience, worrisome, um unable to um enjoy the best. Negative, negative, negative experience most. I've also experienced the best financial, enough financial. So it's it's mostly positive. It's mostly positive. No worry financially, able to buy things uh the you know it's in your side that you wish, um able to purchase, like experience like a 5-star dining place and stuff. It's mostly positive. Yes, for the enough financial in travel. Right, you're rich champs, you know that. I don't need to explain it to you. No need explanation, my rich champs here, right? I really do need some setups with all this sweet tooth, sweet tooth cookies and all right, yeah. So what's cooking? What's cooking in today, champs? What are we doing today with our? Excuse me, with my guts. It's a gut Billy. That's just add up my beauty, right? My gut Billy adds up my beauty, my feminine beauty. Let me do like that so you cannot see. Maybe should I hide my gut Billy or what? Okay. So, what are we doing, chams? What's going on for the day? Your day today? Hopefully, hopefully, it's positive. Start with a positive morning, early morning. Positivity is a must. Okay. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what type of situation, health wise, mindset, living condition we are at, as long as we're able to wake up, we're able to breathe, with our 100% oxygen. We're able to breathe with 100% oxygen. Yes. Yeah, the free oxygen that so should be always free. It should be always free. We should not be able to purchase our oxygen. It should be always able to be free for us. That's our what is the royalty? That's our royalty. We should be able to have oxygen each time, every time we wake up from a good night's sleep. And also before bedtime, yeah, before bedtime, I do like this, like stretch and relaxations, drink my herbal tea, my green leafy herbal tea, and with all of the tension that we have around us, all of unsafe situation around the world, around the planet, it's a must. It's a must to try know how to learn how to stress therapy to decrease our stress, because stress is a number one thing to crumble our physical well-being, and then to crumble our our thinking, our mind, mental well-being. Yes, that's, and then the spiritual. Yes, physical and mental well-being is the number one thing that we have to protect in ourselves. Yes, that's the two things we have to protect in ourselves as a human, as a person, as a people. Nobody will protect it. Realize and remember, champs, nobody will protect it for you. Nobody will protect it for me. Who will protect it? Who will protect your physical and mental well-being? Give me the answer. Comments. I think my answer is you. You are the only one. I am the only one that can protect my physical and mental well-being. It's my responsibility. And your physical and your mental well-being is your responsibility. Right? It is. It is. Yeah. You need to remember that always, every day, okay? And also, your future, your future, your future, your bright future, your love life, your bright future, your um, Whose whose responsibility is it? Is it the society? Is it the society's responsibility? Is it your friend's responsibility? Is it your family's responsibility? Or is it yours? Your future, your love life, and each. Whose responsibility are they? Is it the planet's responsibility? Is it the society's responsibility? Is it your friend's responsibility? Is it your family's responsibility? Or is it you? What's the correct answer? Select all that apply. Right. The correct answer is ta-na-na. It's yours. It's yours, Chams. Yes. So, so you must, you must do your best. It's not easy. It's not easy sometimes. Yes. It's not easy to try to hide my gut belly, but that's added. That's added the beauty, right? That's added the beauty. That's added the beauty. So let's accept it. Accept the facts. Yes, champs. Yourself is your responsibility. If you love yourself, what you need to do? What's the what is the evidence? What's the evidence if you love yourself? How did we do it? Do we harm ourselves or do we care for ourselves? If we love ourselves, what's the answer? If you answer yes, we care for ourselves. That's the correct answer, I think. Right? Yes, chams. That's just how the way it is. Yes. Yes. So, everybody do your best, okay? Everybody. we all need to have a teamwork together to learn how to defeat the stress in our lives. Starting starting now. There's no time. Starting now, there's no time. It doesn't matter. You don't have to wait when you have. Don't wait tomorrow. Don't wait next week. Don't wait for the bald eagle to have a mustache or don't wait for the buffalo to uh, become a chihuahua, okay? Don't wait for the buffalo to become a chihuahua or a miniature poodle. No. Start now. It's your chance to start now, champs, right? And for that, I'm here. I'm here to cheers everybody up. Everybody up. Me, you see me. You see me, my life is not perfect. I'm still searching for that perfect light. My life is not perfect. I don't I'm I don't have uh richness. I'm just a poor girl here. Cheers. I'm just a poor girl cheers here that are trying my best each day. But I'm just here in my little channel, Esteem Self Wellness. Our goal is to find ways how to reduce our stress, how to reduce our stress in our lives, and to be able to prolong our physical being in this planet Earth, and hopefully be able to strategize, finding ways how to improve our life, our physical life, physically, mentally, each day, despite we are lost, we are lost in the we are lost in the jungle, we are lost in the desert, we are lost in the swamp. Today, we never know someday. Someday we will be able to find our way to the best flat meadow. We will be able to find our way to from from the swamp, from the mud, from the jungle, from the dangerous jungle, from the dangerous heat in the desert. Hopefully, with strategize in life, prioritizing our things to do, uh, choosing the positive and put the negative behind us, put the negative situation behind us. That's a no no, okay? As much as we can, we have to fight for ourselves to keep away from harm, no matter what cost each day, right? Right, champs? So, yes, that's that's our responsibility to ourselves. Because if we're able to do that with ourselves, we're able to cheer up with ourselves and stuff, then one day we will be able to cheer up someone or help or assess someone that might be lost somewhere, still lost somewhere in the danger of the jungle, in the heat of the desert, in the yucky, ooey feeling in the swamp, the danger of the swamp or the mudslide, right? That's called, if you know how to take care of yourself, then highly likely you'll be able to take care of others too. Right, champs? See my back of my hair, I just bun up. I have braided it. You like it? You like it, champs? Yes. My goal for the day for all of us is to have a blessed day, start of the day, safe. And my wish for all of us to be blissful, have a blessed, best work, workplace, wherever you all my champs, workplace and businesses, you are in your home or you're in your office, wherever, wherever in this planet we're all at. My wish is, let me see, my wish for all of us is to have the best physically, mentally, spiritually, safety, the best of mind, and cheers for all of you, my champs, right? Cheers for all of my champs, the best. Cheers for me, and hopefully you cheer for me too, all my all my champs, and wish me luck. Wish me luck in life. I'm still waiting for that luck in my life. I'm so unlucky. I'm the unlucky girl. I don't know. I just a unlucky girl in other ways. I'm consider myself lucky physically, mentally. Yes. I accept the fact that I'm consider myself lucky physically, mentally, not romantically. Romantically, I'm still searching for best, the best ever other half of my life that I cannot find in this planet. He must be the best ever to uh lift me up, to lift me up of the dangerous jungle in my life. He must be able to lift me up of the dangerous heat in the desert of my life. This man, this individual must be able to lift me off of the danger of all the carnivores in the swamp. He must be able to save me from all of the danger in the swamp and all of the infested river in the jungle, with all of the dangers from the jungles that in the swamp where I'm at. He must be able to save me away from it with all of his masculinity, power, financially, physically. Because I'm a poor girl. That's why I'm a poor girl. I don't have a richness to give to uh my one and only what is that? Casanova. I don't know, Prince Charming, Casanova. I don't know. My one and only amazing prince or king in my life. I don't have that. I'm just joking. I'm just joking, my champs. Yes. Anyways, comments. Comments me about your positivity in life. Yes. I would like to know. I would like to learn. I would like to learn. We're all in this together. How to find relaxation in our lives to decrease our stress tensions that we're dealing with each day with our lifestyle. I don't know, rich or poor. Maybe we all have stress, right? It doesn't matter. Rich or poor, I don't know. Whatever We don't discriminate here. Whatever race, whatever sexuality, race, religion, whatever. I cheer for all of you. I respect all of you guys, my champs. I respect everybody. Whatever, whatever you are, as long as it's cheer you up, it's do good in your life, as long as you're striving your best and everything, whatever, as long as it's not harming yourself. No, no, no harming ourselves, okay? We have to love our one life, one beauty, one life, one strong, one strong muscle, one strong masculine muscle you got. Yes, you gotta love it. You gotta do your best. You gotta use that. That's your that's your blessings. That's your blessings. That's our blessings and our tools. Our tools and our blessings from the higher being, from the best being of the universe. It's our blessings, our strong, our strength, our good health, physically, mentally, spiritually. That's our blessings. Um, your your handsome, your handsomeness, your good look, your um everything, you're complete. Uh, you have a complete head, complete eyes, ears, hands, your body, your feet, your legs, your toes, um, fingers, everything. Consider that's the blessings that you must know. We don't satisfied of our life because we're human being. That's normal. That's normal. But think what I just said and analyze. Think and analyze of what I just said. You have all of those. You're blessed enough. Yes, you're blessed enough. And use all of those blessings. We need to use all of these blessings to try to be our best. Esteem self wellness. Be our best to ourselves. I don't have the financial means to share to everyone, to all of the champs, to all of us, to everyone that may need it, but I am here to just to cheers. That's my gift. My gift to everyone. My gift to everyone. I don't have a gift. I gifted myself. I gifted myself with my own self. I don't have a gift, but it's okay. It's okay. I accept the facts. I accept the facts. I've been through all the bad, dangerous, muddy, easy situation in life. I've been through all of that as a poor, poor Filipina, poor Filipina from the Philippines, poor Asian girl. I am a poor Asian girl. I've been through all of the thesis situation in life, muddy situation in life, danger situation in life, uh, uh, typhoon, um, typhoon, hurricane, Hurricane Katrina. Typhoon Roping in the Philippines, Hurricane Katrina in the United States. Oh, yes. And in the middle of that, some other, I don't know, personal situation, personal thesis, eh, thesis situation. Experiences, yes, I've been through that. Yes, still today, still dealing with it today. But I just learned how to smile. I learned how to smile, to give you my smile, because I know someone somewhere out there in this part of the universe and the world that we live at, they might need it. Yeah. You don't have to have a mansion. You don't have to be rich. You don't have to have a castle. You don't have to have, I don't know, fancy things and stuff like that to be able to realize that you are blessed enough on your own. You have yourself to use as a tools to uh, get yourself out of whatever situation you're at. If you think you are in the muddy thesis situation, if you are in the like nakasalapok, naakay like sa mga unpleasant situation, sa mga ug sa Cebuano pa naakastaing nga mga situation, mga imuhang kinabuhi, um, naa sa mga lunangan o tuo ka nga um, wala na kay kapuslanan ining imuhang kinabuhi, ayaw ana. Paningkamuti, yes. Try your best paningkamuti nga ah, huna-huna ka og positibo, positibo, positibo nga huna-huna. Plano positibo, yes. Positive plan, good thinking, good mind. Prioritizing, i-priority ang kaayuhan kada adlaw. Prioritize, prioritize, strategize whatever you need to do. Each second, each minute, each hour, each day, each week, each month, each year, each millennium. Right? Right, champs? Yeah, I wish for all of my champs to have a blissful, wonderful, productive, amazing day starting today, tomorrow, and ever. I pray for all of everybody. I pray for all of us to have a safe, blissful, wonderful, and uh, starting today, amazing, prioritizing, planning in our physical, mental, spirit, well being. Right, champs? Again, don't forget to subscribe our channel, Esteem Self Wellness. Um, like the videos, comments, positive comments, highly appreciated. Negative comments, I'll take it to you. hype, hype all our videos. Give us some good boost. Make my channel reach to whatever the code limit, policy, rules and regulations, and in YouTube channel, whatever. Yes, Gilit us past all of those obstacles. Yes, Let's help each other. If you have a channel, let me know. I will subscribe. I will do whatever I can do to support, to assess. Yes, besides financially. All right, champ, subscribe to our channel. Till next time. Yes. Thank you very much. Safe always.